Hey class! My roommates are making a lot of fun of me right now because I'm about to make a video for y'all about water because y'all are so excited about this new water unit we started. So I'm going to make a video for you from my home because it wouldn't really work in class what I'm trying to do. So here's my home. Quick tour. Hey home. Jordan. Need to meet my roommate because she's going to help us a little bit with the experiment. Oh, here she comes now. This is Jordan. This is my roommate. She's awesome. And look, oh my gosh, we're twins because she's white and blonde too. Oh my gosh. And she's from Alabama too. Roll Tide, right, Jordan?
Roll Tide.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about, well, yesterday we talked a lot about water molecules. We talked about how one side, the hydrogen side, is slightly positive and the oxygen side is slightly negative because that oxygen pulls the electrons from the hydrogen molecules down to towards the oxygen. So that creates like a tiny little magnet like we talked about. Come on, onward to the kitchen. Okay, so just like a magnet on the, look, you can see, I told you that I kept some of your stuff on the refrigerator. I wasn't lying. Look. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff. Anyway, so just like a magnet can stick to something because opposites attract, water sticks together. And what's that called? Great job, cohesiveness. I'm so glad y'all remembered from yesterday. Okay, so real quick, before we do that, let's go meet Miss P, my other roommate, because the movie would not be complete without her. Everybody, this is Miss P. She teaches at West Charlotte. You might have her next year if you go to West Charlotte.
What's that?
She will fail you. She will fail you. So you better get your act together now.
You better get your head in the game. Come to work.
She ain't playing. She ain't playing. Okay, and before we go any further, I think it's time to introduce the real star of this video anyway. Because it's the person you've been dying to meet since day one because I talk about him all the time. The man in my life, Buckley. Come here. Come here. Look over there. This is Buckley. Is he not the cutest, sweetest little thing you've ever seen in your life? Okay. Whoa. Okay. He really wants to be in the video badly. Buckley, come here. Come here. Sit. Okay, so this is Buckley. He's going to help us with our science experiment. You're about to see how. So, onward to the kitchen again. All right. Oh, it looks like he tore up some trash too. Okay, so we're about to, have you ever gotten a balloon and rubbed it against your hair, hey Buck, and rubbed it against your hair and it's gotten all staticky, and then you can stick that balloon to the wall, just like a magnet, because opposites attract. So the slightly negative charge of the balloon is going to stick to the wall. All right, we're going to create some static electricity real quick. I got a comb. And we're going to create some static electricity. So Buckley, sit. Okay, put it down a little bit. There we go. All right, if you'll notice, come a little bit closer. I'm going to run the comb. That's the trash that Buckley chewed up. We're not that messy. So I'm going to get some static electricity. Thank you, Buckley, for the use of your static. Okay, so I'm getting all this friction, getting some static. Okay, so this comb should be nice and staticky. Now, all right, here's a steady stream of water. Woohoo, water. I know y'all are excited. I'm about to do a magic trick now. Whoa, did y'all see that? Are y'all seeing this? Are you getting this? Hold on.
That really is.
Do you see that? The reason why that happens is because since water molecules, since static electricity, when I got the static electricity, I created a slightly negative charge on this comb. So when I put it by the water, the positive side of the water molecule, which is the what side? The hydrogen side. I'm so glad. Y'all are so awesome. The hydrogen side is going to be actually attracted to the negative static electricity. So it's going to cause the water to actually bend towards the comb because opposites attract. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Hope you enjoyed your mini tour of the house. Buckley, say goodbye. Anyway, deuces.